If you've just installed ExpressVPN and you want to know exactly how to use it, it's actually very simple. Let's jump straight in. If your main goal is to access a streaming service, you don't need anything complicated. First, head into the protocol settings and make sure you're using one of the faster options, like Lightway UDP, for the best mix of speed, security, and reliability. If Lightway UDP doesn't work well on a certain network, you can switch to Lightway TCP or even OpenVPN UDP, which is also a good balance of speed and security. OpenVPN TCP and IKEV2 can still work, but in most cases, Lightway UDP will give you the smoothest streaming experience, so that's usually what I recommend. Once you've picked your protocol, you're ready to connect. Next, choose the location you want to appear in. For this example, let's say you want to watch content from the UK. Just pick a UK server from the list, hit connect, and wait a second for the VPN to turn on. As soon as you're connected, open Netflix or any other streaming app, refresh the page or reopen the app, and shows that were missing before should now appear in your library. You can do the same thing on your phone, your Fire Stick, your smart TV, or your computer. The process is basically identical. If you want to double-check that everything is working, you can go to a site like "What is my IP address?" in your browser, and you should see that it says you're in the UK instead of your real country. The exact same method works for other streaming libraries, online shops that only serve certain regions, or websites that are blocked in your country. You just select the country you need, connect, and then use the site or service as usual. This is also how you protect yourself on public Wi-Fi, like at airports, cafes, hotels, or libraries. When you're on a network you don't control, you never really know who else is connected or who can see your traffic. Turning on ExpressVPN encrypts your connection, so your internet provider, your government, or the local Wi-Fi admin can't easily see what you're doing online. One more recommendation. Keep the network lock turned on in the settings. That way, if the VPN disconnects for any reason, your internet traffic is blocked instead of suddenly going out unprotected, which helps prevent accidental leaks. If you want more details about protocols, speeds, and extra features, I'll leave a full ExpressVPN review linked in the description. You'll also find my special discount link there, which takes you straight to ExpressVPN with the best deal available at the moment. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.